original sentence from the book was, if I get a really bad cold, right? If I get a really bad cold, I drink hot vinegar with honey. I never take that medicine when I have a cold. Yeah? I copied these sentences from the book. Right? Now what I'm telling you is that insignificance if, well, it's not exactly the same that when, right? Insignificance. Right? Because if you analyze if, you say, teacher, if is yes, and when is for time, right? It's different. Significance, yeah. It's different significance if you make the translation to Spanish. But in function in this case, it is equal. So, if it is equal, if or when, I can substitute. I can say, if I get a really bad cold, I drink hot vinegar with honey. And it's correct. Yeah? Or I can say, another option. When I get a really bad cold, I drink hot vinegar with honey. And the two options are correct. Yeah? The same in here. I never take that medicine when I have a cold. Yes, it's correct. I never take that medicine when I have a cold. Or I never take that medicine if I have a cold. Yeah? Well, that is number one. If or when is the same. Now, number two. In this moment, I'm going to put only one example, okay? Only one example, so that we don't get in problems. If, when. Yeah? What do you notice about this structure? First,
in the first, in
the first or in the second? No problem. What do you notice? Observe.
Start with if.
Okay. Here we start with if. If I get a really bad cold, observe. Comma. I drink hot vinegar with honey. We have two sentences.
Yeah.
Yeah? One sentence. Remember that the sentences we have person, verb, and complement. Yes or no?
Yes.
Person, verb, complement. Verb, what is the structure of the verb?
Simple form.
Simple form, verb in simple form. Yeah? Person, verb,
and
complement. What is the structure of the verb?
Simple form.
Verb in simple form. You see?
Yeah.
Now, this is more short, teacher, this is shorter. Yes? But I never take that medicine when I have a cold. Two sentences. Is equal. Person, verb, complement. Yeah?
Yeah.
Person, verb, complement.
Complement. No comma.
So, no comma.
When is a connector?
Excellent. Look, when we have if or when at the beginning, because remember it's the same, if or when at the beginning, it's necessary a comma to separate the two phrases,
Yeah.
the two sentences. But in this case, if or when is not at the beginning, it's in the middle. Yeah? So it's a connector. I never take that medicine when I have a cold. I never take that medicine if I have a cold. This is a connector, the comma is not necessary. Yeah?
Yeah.
Now, another important thing. Observe, please. If I get a really bad cold, I drink hot vinegar honey. Teacher, is it correct? I drink hot vinegar with honey. If I get a really bad cold.
Yes.
Erika says yeah. How about you? Is it the same or is it totally different? If I get a really bad cold, I drink hot vinegar with honey. I drink hot vinegar with honey if I get a really bad cold. No? Why not? Analyze it. Analyze. Now, in here, I never take that medicine when I have a cold. Now, when I have a cold, when I have a cold,
I
I
never
never
take that medicine. Yes, it's correct.
It's exactly the same.
Yeah.
The order is not important. It's exactly the same. Yeah? What is important?
Comma or connector?
But more than that you analyze the situation, because one is a cause problem. Exactly. The problem and the other is the solution, right? One is the cause and the other is the effect.
Effect.
Yeah?
Theorema.
One is the cause, the other is the effect. What is the cause? If I get a really bad cold, what is the effect or what is the consequence? Consequence.
I drink hot vinegar with honey.
Exactly. The consequence. This is the cause. I have a bad cold. Terrible. Yeah? What is the consequence? What is necessary to drink hot vinegar with honey? Yeah? Similar here. I never take that medicine when I have a cold, or when I have a cold, I never take that medicine.
Cause is when I have a cold.
Exactly. When I have a cold, that is the cause. What is the consequence?
I never take that medicine.
What is important? That if or when, always is previous to the cause. Yeah? Oh, yes. If or when is previous to the cause. Because if you put previous to the effect, it's totally different, it's not correct. Imagine, I get a really bad cold if I drink hot vinegar with honey. It's totally different. Is it correct? Analyze it. I get very sick.
No,
when
it's
I drink-
different. It's opposite.
It's not logical, right?
No.
That's why I'm telling you, you have to check that if or when is previous to the cause.
Yeah.
Because if not, the sense is totally when previous
If.
the cause. Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, let's stop it. Thank you, Miss.